Okay, there's one last thing to talk about when it comes to the Ultimate Guide to WordPress, and that is updating WordPress. There are two basic parts to update. One is the core WordPress, and that consists of files and database, as well as updating plugins and themes. So let's hit core WordPress first. Let's go take a look at our dashboard. Core WordPress, if you're on your dashboard, will tell you that it needs updating. WordPress 3.2.1 is available. Please update now. What you'll want to do is either click on Please Update Now, or you could go to Updates like this and do it all in one screen. So let's do one word of caution. Always use your backup method to back up your entire WordPress site before you do one of these updates of any kind, whether it's a core update to WordPress or an update to a plugin or a theme. I'm not kidding, things go wrong. So let's assume I did that, and then we need to update automatically. And it does its thing. It's pretty quick. It will tell you everything went well or not, and then go back to dashboard. Everything was successful there. And then go back to updates, and you can see that my Akismet comment spam plugin is out of date. So we can click on that and click on update plugins, and it's done. And then if we go back to WordPress updates, if any themes that we had installed were in need of updating, that would be notated right here. Anyway, that's it. That's how you update core WordPress and database files and the plugins and themes. All right. Thanks a lot.